So we just got over to Hanna's. This is voted one of the top restaurants in the community. So we're gonna grab some good food and check out the atmosphere and show you guys around. Hello. Hey, how you doing?
Doing well, how are you?
Pretty good. We were just gonna grab some food, check out the place. Yep, just one.
All right, you can follow me back.
Okay, perfect, thank you.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
This is Hannah.
Awesome.
My name is Chelsea. I have the pleasure of serving you today.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, it is Martini Monday, so it's gonna be half off our martinis with our
Okay.
house vodka. Do you want to start with a cocktail?
Yeah, that's actually exactly what I wanted. I see you guys have the 007 martini.
Yeah,
Okay,
so that could be
perfect.
half off today.
I'll go ahead and do the 10 ounce. And then what about, I heard the coastal tacos are super delicious.
Those are really good.
Okay,
Yeah, I
perfect.
would recommend those or the burrata in Brussels. This is
Okay.
our probably top seller appetizer. That one's really good too.
Could we do both?
You want to do both? Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
So what do you think we should try first? We've got the burrata and Brussels, and then we have our tacos right here, seafood tacos. They've got a couple different kinds, and I'm gonna go with the tacos. So I'll give you guys a little secret. I've had these before, and they're delicious. That's why I recommended them. But one of my favorites. All right, so tacos, delicious. The next thing that we're gonna try is the Brussels with the burrata, which also looks amazing. And then we're gonna wash it down with our 007 martini. So good. And here we go. Perfect. All right, so a little bit of history on Hanna's. So David Hanna is actually the owner of this restaurant, and this is actually one of the top 100 restaurants in the United States. This location right here that we're in. Fabulous food, as we already have seen. But what's interesting is his grandfather served in the Army back in World War I. He used to cook all the food there, and that brought him into the culinary arts. And his grandfather actually created Lone Star, which I'm sure you've probably heard of. They have their restaurant chains all throughout the United States. So I thought it was pretty interesting that David, the grandson, carried on his grandpa's tradition and opened up awesome restaurants and steakhouses in particular.
We have this wine room available for anyone who's doing private parties, anniversary celebrations, or if you're just willing to rent it out just for a regular night out with your friends or family. We also have a lot of the top champagnes, very hard to get champagnes, Cristal, Ace of Spades, Dom Perignon, Beaujois we have down here as well, the gold plated.
I like this.
All of them from Champagne, France.
Can we try like a sample of this?
Yeah, of course you can.
Yeah, I was messing with you, but I'll do it. And then what's this setup right here?
A little history on some of the community that comes in. A professional football player who went to the Santa Margarita Catholic High School. Right in this area. Dave loves golf, loves all sports, so goes to the U.S. Open every year. And,
sick. And so he brings that stuff back to you guys, yeah. And then, and this guy, you actually knew him. You went to school with him as well, right?
Yeah,
sick. And he's with the Saints now, right?
Yeah.
Good stuff. We've got, is this all champagne or are these like rosés?
Yeah, rosés. We have rosé, champagnes. We actually have the biggest wine list in Southern Orange County.
Oh, all right.
So that is something that we take pride in. We have over 300 bottles on our list.
Can you do like subscriptions too, where you could have the wine delivered here if there's certain things that you want? Or
yeah, so we have our customers. We do allow them to order the wine through us. We'll give it to them at a discounted price since we're selling it through our market.
Yeah,
they're not dining with us. So that's something that we can get a hold. Since we have wholesalers, we get a hold of wines that are a little bit harder to get.
I like it. Yeah. So you guys have the connection.
We have the connection.
Okay, I like that. And then back on this wall, so I know Tito's, that's my go-to.
Yeah.
But we've got tons of different wines. So these are all our reds, right?
Yes, these are all going to be our reds, our Pinot Noirs, Cabernets, our red blends. We have Camus. We're actually very good friends with Jenny Wagner. She's the winemaker and owner of Camus Vineyards. She came in about a month ago. We did a big wine dinner for the community. Did a full 5-course meal and paired it with wines that they carry. We have George Dow coming in September 14th, so in 2 weeks. George Dow,
there you go.
Dow Vineyards is coming in. We're doing another wine dinner. We're reserving the deck and in here.
The whole setup.
Yeah.
There's another one that I see, and one of our mutual connections had actually introduced me to it. It's Austin Hope, and I know you guys carry that too. That's one of your big ones, right?
It's our top selling wine by the glass.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, and on Wednesdays we do Wine Wednesday, so all of our wines by the glass are half off.
There we go. Come in on a Wednesday, Wine Wednesday, let's go, half off.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for going through all this with us, man. It was wonderful. And go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm Casey Mendoza. I'm the general manager here at Hanna's Restaurant.
Awesome. And he's taking care of us today. It was such a great time. We got to learn about a little bit of history about the restaurant. And just knowing that this exists in the community, and this is one of the top 100 restaurants in the US, it's a big deal. So you guys got to come check it out, eat some food, drink some wine. You can also store your wine here. You can become part of their membership, and you're like VIP anytime you come in, right?
Yeah, all our guests are VIP.
There we go.